how to add videos to Canva Slides. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a video into your slides of presentation within Canva. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over canva.com. Then you only need right here to connect or sign in into your account, and then you are going to select the presentation that you are going to add it to. The slides are a part of the presentation. I will let you see here a demonstration of a presentation. For example, this one, I'm going to let you see here, this is a presentation, and here we have the slides and also the pages. Here we have the slides, and if you are going to download them as a PPTX, which is a PowerPoint file, you're going to name them as slides. So here, as you can see right there, we have the presentation or the slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. So how we can add a video to it, we are simply going to add a specific video. For example, here we are going to add elements from, let's see here if we have a video. So we are going to add this specific video. Now we are going to mute this because I don't want to add a video with a sound. So here we have the video. So we are going to make this lamp right there. If you want to add a frame to that specific video, you can go ahead and add a frame. So we are going to the elements, then we are going to type frame. And by frame, you will see here all the frames that are available. So choose the frame that it will be specific and also combined with that specific video. And it will make a good look for your video. For example, let's go ahead and see here if we have a horizontal frame like this specific one. So we are going to put the video inside of it, and boom, here we have the video. It is integrated within this frame. And when you see right there, the specific here duration of this one, which is the second slide, it has the same duration of the video. And it will be playing the video right away. So we have this one, and the video is playing right away. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.